Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can enable LED light call notifications in your device Redmi A1 Plus. So if you want to turn on LED light call notification in your device Redmi A1 Plus, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable LED light call notification in your device.